Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just made a video about this 2 days ago, I think, or day before. And somebody's trying to do it and watch what happens when they go to effects and blend. And they blend 45 times, uh, grab the new path, put it on the path. See, you can kind of see a telltale sign right there. Blend along full path and rotate all objects and hit apply. There are two of them that are touching. They're not separated apart. Well, what he did, and he didn't do anything wrong. Let's take these two and move them up. He combined the lines, so they're all one piece. But I'm going to just show him. I know how he drew it, so we're just going to do it. I measured. I'm going to get a 10-inch circle. And I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to take a 2-point line, and I'm going to hit P, and I'm going to delete one side. Now, if you turn your object origin to the bottom, and we set our nudge factor on 10 inches, and we Control D to make a duplicate and nudge it over 10 inches, and then if we mirror it, look what happened. It's because our object origin is at the bottom. Now, you don't have to do it again. We're just going to hit the plus sign and do nudge it twice. Now, this is for objects, but if you go, this is what he's doing. There's nothing wrong with it. Combining it, and now you have one curve. Now we'll bring in these blocks again, and I just did this. He was actually going off my video, but this is somebody totally different. He liked the idea, and he was trying to do something like this. So if we select both these and hit apply, new path, and there's the telltale sign, blend along full path and hit apply, you still got those nodes. Well, what it is, these are combined, but they're not joined lines. So what we need to do is close this. Well, it shouldn't have closed it. Windows, Dockers, and join curves. And then grab these 6 nodes. You can, well, it's actually got 12 nodes. Well, I guess it's selecting all of them. And hit apply. Look at that. Now the nodes are all perfect. So if we grab these two now, and this is why I shouldn't have shut down the blend docker, go up now and hit along new path. Look at the difference. Now blend along full path and rotate all objects. Now those two aren't touching. Now some of them they're all equally spaced apart, but when you're transitioning from that curve to that curve, you're going to get a little bit of there's nothing you can do about it. You could actually manually maybe rotate one of them, but I don't really think that's worth the time. And then regardless what he's doing to it, go to arrange, break the blend apart, and you can get your line now and move it out of the way. And you have some sort of like a boardwalk. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.